Hello Nana, all of you very good morning Nana. Now I start the class. Look all of you Nana. Look all of you. Look here Nana. To see the concept. To see the concept Nana. According to concept Nana, this is the hemispherical bowl. Once again I repeat, this is the hemispherical bowl. Hemispherical bowl means half of the sphere. Okay? Half of the sphere. In the half of the sphere, here insect is there. Insect is there. Insect means a small puruganda. This insect nana can crawl on the surface of the sphere. Here this insect it moving upward, crawling paguta here to here move. Nana here to here move today. Look here nana. This is called radius of the spherical ball. Here Nana, this is also radius of the spherical ball. Center of the sphere to tangent. That means here Nana. Any is called radius. Okay? In the situation insect here to here move Nana. This is the maximum height of the insect. This is h. Okay, automatically this will be here to here radius. This is h. Remaining is r minus h. This insect here, this angle is given theta. This is the question. Look here. Insect can crawling up here to here nana. Up to this is the maximum height nana. In this height, insect can crawl up, it fall. Its meaning is insect here to here only crawling nana. Here above this height, insect is fall. Okay? In the situation, first to identify forces. Weight always vertically downwards. Look here now. This one parallel. This is the line. This angle is theta. Automatically this angle also theta. Here theta, here theta. We know the resolution. Angle says mg cos theta. This component is mg sin theta. Insect says a action. Floor says a opposite reaction. This is normal reaction. Here in this point, insect crawling up, it will be falling down. Simply friction is always oppose the motion. Okay? Here in this point, this is the maximum height of the insect. In this point, insect can crawling up. It will be fall downward. Simply friction is always oppose the motion. In the situation, here I take equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition. Equilibrium means forward force equal to backward force, upward force equal to downward force. Forward force equal to backward force, upward force equal to downward force. Here F equal to mg sin theta. Equation number 1. Here n balances the mg cos theta. Here the question is relation between coefficient of friction and theta. Okay, here now we know that coefficient of friction definition is frictional force by normal reaction force. Okay, equation 1 by equation 2. In the situation mg cancel, sin theta by cos theta equal to
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వేరే పిల్లలు పెట్టారు, ఇది మన గ్రూప్లో రాలేదు, దాంట్లో పెట్టలేదు. క్లాస్ రూమ్లో పిల్లలు నాకు పంపించారు, సార్ పేపర్ ఇదేనా అని.
కాదండి, frictional force by normal reaction force, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Simply here coefficient of friction formula is tan theta. Okay, this is the formula for relation between mu s and theta. What is the question, Nana? Here a insect can crawl hemispherical bowl. Okay, here insect crawling here to here in this point. Here insect crawling up, it will be fall. This is the question. In the situation, what is the relation between coefficient of friction and theta? Mu s equal to tan theta. Mu s equal to tan theta. Next one. Mu s equal to tan theta. Next one. Look here. What is the final answer? Mu s equal to tan theta. This is tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Look here. This is theta. Opposite side is mu s, adjacent side is 1. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side is mu s square plus 1. Tan theta. This is the diagram. Once again I repeat this diagram. Junaiddin. Tan theta definition. Tan theta definition. Opposite side is mu s. Adjacent side is 1. According to right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse. Mu s square plus 1. అసలు కాదని చెప్పా కదా, వదిలే. నువ్వు కాదని చెప్పి నాకు మళ్ళా వచ్చి వెంకటస్వామి గారు ఇబ్బంది పెట్టుకుంటావు. ఎందుకంటే కాదు, వాడెవడో చదవడానికి మనం ఇచ్చే పేపర్కి ఇంకా రిలీజ్ కాల మన పేపర్, అది వేరే కాలేజీ పేపర్. అర్థమైందా? వేరే టెన్షన్ కూడా అవుతుంది. నువ్వు అది కాదు బాబు, మేము ఇస్తానని చెప్పు, 10ంటికి పెడదామని చెప్పు. కాదు వెంకటస్వామి, mu s 1 under root mu s square plus 1. Okay, in the situation, look here now. Here in the triangle, look the triangle now. Look here. Here this angle is theta. Look here now, this triangle. In the situation, this side is r minus h, this side is r. According to this triangle, cos theta definition. Cos theta definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse, r minus h by r. In the situation, r cos theta equal to r minus h. According to this situation, minus other side plus other side minus. Simply h equal to r minus r cos theta. According to this situation, r into 1 minus cos theta. This is the formula for height of the insect. Height of the insect can crawling upward. What is the formula for maximum height of the insect? Maximum height of the insect can crawling in the hemispherical bowl. H equal to r into 1 minus cos theta. This is equation number 1, mu s and tan theta. This is equation number 2. What is the formula for maximum height of the insect can crawling upward? H equal to r into 1 minus cos theta. Here what is the r value? R means radius of the bowl. Once again repeat, what is the equation to Junaid? R into 1 minus cos theta, equation number 2. But in theta write as in terms of mu nana. Cos theta definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? 1. What is the hypotenuse in the triangle? Under root mu square plus 1. This is the formula for height of the insect can crawling upward. Height of the insect can crawling upward. What is the formula of height? H equal to r into 1 minus 1 by under root mu square plus 1. This is the formula for maximum height of the insect can crawling in the hemispherical bowl. Nana, leave it this total concept. The concept is again to listen carefully. Hemispherical bowl, radius is given r. In the situation, insect can crawling upward. What is the relation between mu s and tan theta? Mu s equal to tan theta. What is the formula for maximum height of the insect can crawling up? Height is r into 1 minus 1 by cos theta over r into 1 minus 1 by under root mu s square plus 1. Write down r. Hold. Next question, Nana. Next question. Write down the concept. A block is placed on a ramp of parabolic shape. Very important concept, Nana. A block is placed on a ramp of parabolic shape given by the equation y equal to x square by 20 if mu s equal to 0.5, then maximum height of the block above the ground. Please write the notes, Nana. Please write the notes. Look here. Here, this is the parabolic shaped. Okay. In the situation, block moves here to here. Here, to find maximum height of the block. This is the question. In the previous situation, insect can crawling here to here. What is the relation between mu s and theta? We know that mu s equal to tan theta. Okay? But look here, mu s is okay. Tan theta in the mathematics, that is called slope. Once again, tan theta is called slope. In the mathematics, slope equation is dy by dx. Okay, here mu s equal to d by dx of, what is the y value? What is the y value? Y value is x square by 20. Okay, in the right side, common term is 1 by 20. X square differentiation is 2x. Okay, here now once again I repeat, in the mathematics, x square differentiation is, solution is 2x. Finally, mu s value is x by 10. Okay, but mu s is given 0.5. Here write 0.5 x by 10. Finally we get x value is 5. X value is 5. Okay, but the question is maximum height. Maximum height means vertical distance. Simply to determine y value. But what is the expression for y according to question? X square by 20. Here vertical distance is nothing but the maximum height. X is called horizontal distance. Its value is 5 square, 25 by 20. 5 5s, 5 4s, 5 by 4 write as 1.25. Again I repeat, Nana, this is the parabolic shape, Nana. Here black moves here to here. This makes an angle theta. In the situation, here black at rest. Simply we know that mu s equal to tan theta. But in the mathematics, tan theta is nothing but the slope. Slope equation is y axis by x axis. But y is given, here substitute x square by 20. 20 is a constant to write outside. X square differentiation is 2x. 2x by 20 is x by 10. Finally x value is 5. But the question is maximum height. Simply we determine vertical distance, y value. What is the y expression? X square by 20. X value is here substitute. Finally to determine maximum height. Hold. Look here this concept, Nana. According to this concept, look here. Here, this is the inclined plane. Angle of inclination is theta. Initially, body is placed here. Body initially rests, starts at A. Here, body moves A to B, A to B. Here, inclined plane total length is L. Okay? Here, block moves A to B, 1 by n distance. Simply, this distance is L by n. L by n. This surface is smooth. Once again I repeat, here to here the surface is smooth. Again at B, its velocity v. B to C, B to C, B to C, this is C. B to C is rough surface. Because of opposition, this body again comes to rest. Again comes to rest. Final velocity is 0. In the situation, find coefficient of friction value. This is the question. Once again I repeat. This is the inclined plane. Angle of inclination is theta. Here body placed here. Body placed here. Here to here move. Here rough smooth surface. A to B smooth surface. What distance is there? 1 by n distance is there. But remaining this distance is, look here now, total L minus L by n. This equal to L into n minus 1 by n. Remaining length is total minus this. Remaining is get. For example, 10. This is 4. Remaining at the 6. We can write 10 minus 4, we get 6. Okay, here. Now, here to here what? Rough surface. Finally, body comes to rest. Find coefficient of friction. Here, first take the path name AB. We know that kinematic third equation, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Look here, Mithin. A is starting, B is ending. At ending, what is the velocity? V. V write as V. A is starting. Starting velocity is what? 0. Look here. Here, right side, 2. A to B is smooth inclined plane. On smooth inclined plane, acceleration formula is g sin theta. This is here. Distance travelled by the body A to B is L by n. What is the formula for V square? Look here. 2gl sin theta whole by n. Equation number 1. Okay. Next I take path BC. Path BC speciality is rough inclined plane. At B initial velocity is given V. At C final velocity body is rest. B to C rough inclined plane. A value g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. This is rough inclined plane. Acceleration formula. Distance travelled by the body L into, look here, n minus 1 whole by n. Again we apply kinematic third equation. Again we apply kinematic third equation. Look here now. Here V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Here V value is 0, U value is V. Here substitute V 0, U value V. Right side A value is G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Distance value is L by n into n minus 1. Finally write V square equal to minus here minus 2g L by n okay, into n minus 1, look here, 2g l by n minus 1 sin theta minus mu k cos theta, equation number 2. Here equation 1 v square, equation 2 v square, simply LHS same, RHS also same, simply equation 1 equal to equation 2, okay, look here now. Equation 1 equal to equation 2, right sides are same. Equation 1 right side is 2gl sin theta by n. Equation 2 right side is minus 2gl by n minus 1 into here sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Look here, 2gl cancel, n cancel. Look here now. In the left side sin theta is remain, right side minus, here now minus n into sin theta. Look here now, n into sin theta minus n mu k cos theta. Here minus 1 minus sin theta minus of minus plus mu k cos theta. Here multiply n, here multiply n, here multiply 1, here multiply 1. Here now minus of minus sin theta, sin theta what? Cancel. 0 equal to minus n sin theta minus of minus plus n mu k cos theta minus, here minus into plus minus mu k cos theta minus other side plus, neatly write as n sin theta. In the two terms common term is mu k cos theta, remaining is n minus 1. Finally cos other side tan. Finally write mu k equal to tan theta into n by n minus 1, n by n minus 1. That is the finally we get. The question I can explain directly. Look here now. I explain question nana. Again look here. Only question nana. This is inclined plane. The angle of inclination is theta. Here 1 by n part is smooth. In the situation remaining part is rough. In the situation, what is the coefficient of friction formula? Tan theta into n by n minus 1. Once again repeat, what is the coefficient of friction formula is tan theta into n by n minus 1, n by n minus 1. Okay, nana, tan theta into n by n minus 1. Here n is, for example, half of the part is smooth annadunko. What is the n value? 2. 1 by 3 part is smooth annadunkondi. What is the n value? 3. Simply nana 1 by n part is smooth, half of the part is smooth, n value write 2. 1/3 part of the plane is smooth, n value is 3. Here substitute now. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? Tan theta into n by tan theta into n by n minus 1. Write down all now. Write down all. Please follow next class, nana. Okay, this will be sent in the YouTube, nana. 1 minute, please wait. ప్లీజ్ వెయిట్. వీకెండ్ సిలబస్
కట్టేవారు సార్
కట్టేసి వీకెండ్ సిలబస్ నాన్న